Hey guys, today I'll show you how to solve a 3 by 3. But before that, please like and subscribe to support the effort I put into making these videos and share the video with anybody you know. You only need to learn 5 extremely easy algorithms and some notation. Let me show you what the notation is. R, which goes upwards. R prime goes downwards. L prime goes upwards. L goes downwards. F goes to the left. F prime goes to the right. U goes to the left and U prime goes to the right. That's all the notation you need to know. The first step is to make a cross. You do that by taking a white edge piece, aligning with its correct center and just inserting it. You do that for the rest of the centers. Sometimes you will have problematic cases like this. I can't just insert it like this. So what I have to do is to attach it in a different way. I just attach it like this and then I can insert. If the edge is stuck between two centers, you just do R, U, R prime to take it out. Then you just attach it to the center and get it back down and fix the other centers. This is the first step on how to solve a 3 by 3, the cross. Now, the next step is to make a layer. The first thing you want to do is to find a corner with white on it. You get it to its two corresponding centers. If white faces left or right, I'll just address that. But if it faces the top, you just do R, U prime, R prime. And now, for the second case, if you're holding it and the two correct centers are on the front and right, and the white side of the corner is facing the right, you just do R, U, R prime. If it is facing towards you and two centers are on the front and right, just hold it so it's facing the left and these two are to the front and left. Then you can just do L prime, U prime, L. Now you repeat that for the other corners. If you find that you cannot find a specific corner, it's not in the top layer, just look in the slots. For this one, it's stuck in a slot. I can just do R, U, R prime to take it out, put it over its correct slot. It's pointing to the right. The two centers are on the front and right, so I just do R, U, R prime. And the same thing for the other centers. Hooray! You have solved a full layer. Now you have to make the second layer. To do this, you find an edge piece and insert it into the correct slot. However, you might find that all the edges are in the slots, but none of them are in the correct place. What you do is you just do R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, and then you just hide the corner, move the edge and unhide the corner. Now you can just insert it and now we've taken the edge out. Now for the more difficult part. Actually inserting the edge. If the centers are to the front and to the right, then to insert this edge, you just do this simple algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime. Then you have a pair and you can just rotate and insert it. You can do, and you repeat the same process for the next one. But this time it's to the left and the front. So you do it slightly differently. You move it to the opposite side, means to the right. Then you do L prime, U, L. Just rotate and insert it. And then you do the same thing for the last slot. Hooray, you have solved your first two layers. Now you need to get a plus on the top. Now This is your first algorithm. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. I'll have it on the screen. So what it does is it just flips these two edges. So first thing to do is to find a L. If you don't have a L and just have a line, hold it in any position, just do F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Then you should have a L. If you have, then hold it to the top left and then just repeat the algorithm. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. If you find that you have no edges oriented, you just do the algorithm F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. You'll get one of the older cases. You just do it and you'll get the L and just do the algorithm. Hooray! You finally solved your first two layers. Now, after you've solved the first two layers and got a plus on top, just flip the cube over and start looking for edges without yellow on bottom. Like this one. Not this one. This one is wrong. This one is correct. You just get it under a slot and just do R, U, R prime, U prime, 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 till it has yellow on the bottom. I know it has broken up a few pieces, but it will get fixed in the end. Then you just find another unoriented edge and repeat the process. The last corner. If you have done it correctly, you will have your full F12 solved and the top as yellow. Now you need to find two corners which are the same color on the same side, like this. And you just do the algorithm. I'll have it on screen, but I'm also saying it now. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F. That should solve the corners. But if you have a case without any corners solved, you just repeat the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F, and you should have solved corners somewhere. And you just repeat the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. Now, hopefully, your F2L is solved. You have yellow on the top layer and all your corners are in the correct position. Now, now only your edges should be in the wrong places. Now, to solve the last 3 or 4 edges, you just have to learn one algorithm. If by chance you have a bar, just hold it to the back and do this algorithm. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. However, if you have no bar, like in this case, all you have to do is just to repeat the algorithm. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, R, U prime, R2. And you'll have one of the other cases. However, if you have a case which has a bar, you hold it to the back and you do the algorithm, but it still does not solve it, don't worry. You just do the algorithm again. It should solve it. If you've done everything correctly, you should have solved your cube. Hooray! For the first time, you solved a Rubik's Cube in your life. If you have any questions, please comment them down below and tell me if you managed to solve your first Rubik's Cube, because I'm very curious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help support my channel. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.